Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Following that, tap on this icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner. Now click on Folders at the top, hold one of your pictures that you wish to add, and tap on Select at the top right corner. You can also just tap on your photos over here. As you can see after that, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!